Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious whipped chocolate cream. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally chilled for at least 30 minutes. This helps it whip up light and fluffy. Next, measure out your unsweetened cocoa powder and powdered sugar. Having all your ingredients ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delightful treat. Before adding anything to the cream, it's crucial to properly combine your dry ingredients. Sift the cocoa powder to break up any clumps, then add the powdered sugar. Whisk these together until they are fully incorporated. This step ensures a smooth, consistent chocolate flavor throughout your whipped cream, avoiding any pockets of unmixed powder. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in the final texture. Now for the fun part, whipping the cream. Use a chilled bowl and beaters for best results. Start whipping the cold, heavy cream on medium-high speed. As it begins to thicken and form soft peaks, gradually sprinkle in your pre-mixed cocoa and sugar. Continue whipping until the cream reaches stiff peaks, holding its shape beautifully. Be careful not to overwhip, or it might become grainy. Your delicious whipped chocolate cream is now ready to enjoy. Serve it as a topping for desserts, hot chocolate, or fresh fruit. For any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator where they will stay fresh for about 2 days. And speaking of enjoying things, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.